Hi guys! For today's video, we will be unboxing Ronin 4D from DJI. Let's open it! First, we have a bunch of product guide and manuals. This is for LiDAR. Quick start guide and guidelines. Wow, a beautiful flight case. Wow, it's full of stuffs. This is the left hand grip. And this is the right hand grip. And these are the straps for the grips. And this is the tool bag for cables and cords. Oh, it's so much cord in this. And these are the gazillion AZ power cables. Okay, let's see what's this. This is power adapter for charging. I will put this one because this is the only one compatible with my current country now. We have here flathead screwdriver for tightening. This is USB A to C cable for transferring data. This is TB50 charging adapter. This is LiDAR rangefinder. It will precisely measure the distance of the subject to get clear and smooth focusing. Ronin gimbal base cap. 1.5mm hex key. Focus motor cable to connect to LiDAR. 10mm screws. X9 counterweight. Control stick. 3mm hex key. Mount lens cap. X9 base cap. TX mount body cap. This is not included, but I always have this plastic container to put all the small parts together. To keep them tidy, as you can see. Now, the most awaited, the dinosaur camera. This is now the DJI Ronin 4D. You may notice that the top handle, touchscreen monitor, and wireless video transmitter are attached already because I asked my authorized dealer to test it first for me before shipping it. And that's what's in the box. Oh, I forgot. This is included to the box. It's intelligent flight battery. This is TB50 intelligent battery. These are the other accessories. This is the high bright remote monitor. First, I will be removing NPF battery adapter because I will not use this. I will put the screen protector. Easy, no air bubble. And this is the monitor hood, and I will try to put it just like that. Looks professional. And this is the Zenmuse X9 focus motor. This is the TX2 video transmitter. And last but not the least, this is the remote monitor expansion plate, X9 E-mount unit. That's it, what's in the box of Ronin DJI 4D 4-axis cinema camera 6K combo kit. Don't go yet, this is my test footage using Ronin 4D. This is my first use, not yet 100% perfect and I'm still in the learning curve. In the future, I will be better at this and I will update my test footage. For now, please enjoy the view. For longer virtual travel video, please visit my other channel, World Nature Video.
Thank you very much! Subscribe now.